So, Reyou Hair Serum is basically marketed as a way to support healthier-looking hair, reduce the appearance of thinning, and potentially encourage hair growth. The marketing sounds promising, but there are a few things I'd keep in mind. The biggest question is what the serum can realistically do. A topical product might improve the condition and appearance of your hair, but that doesn't mean it can reverse every type of hair loss or create dramatic new growth. I'd also be careful with before and after photos and quick result claims. Hair grows slowly, and results can vary depending on genetics, age, hormones, and the actual cause of hair thinning. So, is Reyou Hair Serum worth buying? It could be worth trying as part of a hair care routine, but I wouldn't expect miracle results. Check the full ingredient list, evidence behind the ingredients, independent reviews, and return policy before buying. Overall, I'd keep expectations realistic. If you're experiencing significant or sudden hair loss, finding out what's causing it is more important than relying on a cosmetic serum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.